Question 9, we've been given an equation with an unknown in it, but we do know that when x is 0, h of 0 gives 4. So let's put those numbers into what we've got here. 4 equals a minus 2 lots of, well, 0 plus 3 is 3. So I've got 4 equals a take away 6, and so a must equal 10. So the graph we're doing is 10 take away 2 lots of x plus 3. P is the highest point. The highest point that can get to would clearly be 10. 10 take away, so we want this thing to be 0, and if that thing's 0, we must have an x of minus 3. Sticking the minus 3 in there makes 0. And when would this, Q is when this whole thing equals 0. So when does this equal 0? This is when 10 equals 2 lots of x add 3. So x add 3 equals 5. X equals 2. So that point is 2, 0. That's the first parts of it. And the last part is solve when does that equal 1/3 x plus 6. So lots to do here. So 10 take away 2 lots of x add 3 modulus equals 1/3 x plus 6. I'm going to add this whole block over to this side. So I'm going to get 2 lots of x plus 3 over here. And I'm going to take that off the other side. 10 take away 6 is 4. 4 take away 1/3 of x. I can divide by 2 before getting too much further as well. And now I'm going to branch this off in the usual ways. The branch over here is the modulus doesn't do anything. The branch over here is the modulus does something. So it makes it all negative. If I take away the 3 and add the 1/6 there, that gives me x is minus 6/7 for that side. And over here, I'm going to add the x and take away the 2. And so that's going to give me x is minus 6 on that side over there. I've got 2 answers there. I'm certainly going to go back and check them. I'd be drawing the graph and trying to see how many times does this work, or just putting that value back in there and that value back in there to see if they work.